Alright guys, we have a 2005 Ford Ranger with us today, and it has the 3.0 V6. Today we'll be replacing the purge valve, which is right here. We have code P0455 for an EVAP leak, and we have found the faulty component to be the purge valve. Here is the part we'll be replacing. It is a standard motor product, and here is the part number. Picked it up at our local Advanced Auto for fairly inexpensive. Driver's side, under the brake booster and master cylinder, we have our purge valve. It is a wire connector and two vacuum ports that are squeeze pull. Two vacuum ports, squeeze pulled, and a clip right here that slides it in on this bracket. It's fairly easy to replace, and I'll go ahead and film doing it. Okay, so we have the old one out. Here we have the upper hose and the lower hose. This part right here, you just push this tab down and it slides in and out of that bracket right there. The wire harness, you just push the little tab down here and pull out. And if you look in the time lapse, both hoses, I use pliers to kind of press this down. Press both of the hoses down right here in order to slide it in and out of the purge valve. Okay, now installing the new one, you just reverse the order, fairly easy. Cool, and that's a new purge valve put in, slid in, two hoses and a plug put together. If you have any questions or comments, leave it down in the questions below. And if you have any other Ranger problems, we got plenty of videos about the Ranger on our channel. Check it out. And also, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. It really helps out this small channel.